It's hot. It's very, very hot also. It is a race today. It's gonna be hard. It's warm. It's so warm.
What happened to your tires, Steve?
The front of the bike is too low. It should be higher up, so it's too much pressure on the front tire. I don't got any feeling on the front, so it's just tearing it up. No good, no good.
What are you going to do different?
Nothing. It's hot. It's hot. It's very, very hot also. I have trouble with a quick shifter, so I have to use the clutch. And I'm not used to that, so that's shit, to be honest. And also the suspension isn't as good as I thought it would be. It's too soft, and the front is too low, and we can't get it higher at the moment because how it is. I think the transitions between the fueling and changing the transponder is going great, so I can't complain about that. Final drive is also not good for its track. It's fun though, it's still fun even though we have some problems and it's not going as fast as I want. But yeah, still fun though, still fun. Looks like we got 5th today. That's okay. I'm exhausted. All in all, it's been a good day. I'm happy, and I think Glenn is happy. 5th place. Yeah, that's okay. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and you can also check the notification bell, so every time I upload a new video, you can get a notification of that. Drive safe and race safe.